Hello, everyone. Yeah, I'm here to teach you how to answer this type of subnetting question, okay? Asking you to select the binary representation of this IP address. IP address will be written boldly, and this binary, digit will be, aligned, okay? And ask you to choose one that represents this. If you put this, that is one of these binary digits represent this IP address. Which one? Okay? Because if you convert this IP address to binary digits, it must come to one of these options here. Okay? So, and how do we do it? What do we do to convert it? And we start. So, let's convert this IP address into binary digits to choose. From there, you will know the correct one. And how do you do it? From these subnetting values, you must know how to subtract from here, because we are going to do this now. We are going to convert this first using this. And you use this 192 minus 128. 192, if 192 can minus, if it can subtract 128 from 192, which is 1, if it cannot do it, is 0. So now 192 minus 128, it can do it, which means we put 1. Okay? Now, can 64 minus 64? Yes. Can 64 minus 64 is 0. So 64 can minus 64, and there is nothing left here to minus, so which means 0, 0, 0, 0. Others are 0, because if 192 can subtract, if you can subtract 128 from 192, you have remainder 64, you put 1, then 64, can that remainder 64 subtract this 64? Of course, yes, you put 1, and there is nothing to use to subtract again, and that is why I put the remaining ones as 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, he put here this, he put, dot. So let's face this one now. This is the binary representation of 192. So let's start from 175, 175, 175. Can 175 subtract 128? Of course. Okay. Can you subtract 128 from 175? Okay, 175 minus 128. Of course, you can do that. You put 1 here. Remainder 47. Can 47 minus this? Of course, no. 47 cannot minus 64. Okay? No. Can 47 minus 32? Yeah, it can do that, because after this 64 is 32. Can 47 minus 32? Yes. So 47 minus 32, remainder 15. Then you put 1 here. Can uh, 15 minus 16? Of course, no, it can't. Can 15 minus 8? Yes. Okay, 15 minus 8, 7. Okay. Can 7 minus this 4? Yes. 7 minus 4, 3. Okay. Can 3 minus 2? Yes. Okay. 3 minus 2, 1. Can 1 minus 1? Yes, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this here, you put dot, which means this is the binary representation of this 175. So let's do 20. Now, can 128, can you subtract 128 from 20? No, you put 0. Can you subtract 64 from 20? No, you put 0. Can you subtract 32 from 20? No, you put 0. Can you subtract 16 from 20? Of course, yes. Remainder 4. Can you subtract 8 from 4? No. Can you subtract 4 from 4? Yes. And nothing remain. Okay, you put this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you put this. Let's do 5. Can you subtract 128 from 5? No. 0. Can you subtract 64? No. Can you subtract 32? No. Can you subtract 16? No. Can you subtract 8? No. Can you subtract 4? Yes. 4 can be subtracted. Okay? 5 minus 4 is 1. Can 1 subtract 2? No. This is 0. Can 1 subtract 1? Yes. Which means, from look of things, this is the right answer. Okay? That's the right answer. So this is how to, answer this question. Okay? You know how to convert a particular number from, number to binary. And this is what I've just showed you. Please watch this video, practice it so that you will become, familiar, with it. So that when you go for certification exam, these questions will not be anything to you. You can even use your head. You can, answer these questions off head. Okay? So if you like this video, do not hesitate to share, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.